Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to share some essential tips for optimizing your website speed and performance when using the Astra theme and Elementor for WordPress. A fast website is crucial for user experience and SEO, so let's dive right in. Speeding up your WordPress site can significantly improve your visitors' experience and boost your search engine rankings. Today, I'll guide you through some practical steps to make your Astra and Elementor site run faster. These steps can work for any WordPress website. Let's get started. The first step to a fast website is choosing a reliable hosting provider. Opt for managed WordPress hosting like SiteGround, Bluehost, or WPEngine, which offer optimized environments for WordPress sites. The links to these services are in the description below. Keeping your WordPress core, themes, and plugins updated is crucial for performance and security. Go to Dashboard, Updates, and update everything to the latest versions. Large images can slow down your site significantly. Use an image optimization plugin like Imagify, Smush, or Short Pixel to compress images without losing quality. Install and activate the Imagify plugin by going to Plugins, Add New, and searching for Imagify. From the WordPress dashboard, go to Media menu option, then Bulk Optimization. Scroll down the page until you see the Optimize Your Media Files section, then choose the media folders you wish to optimize. Caching can drastically improve your site's speed by storing static versions of your pages. Install a caching plugin like W3 Total Cache or WP Super Cache. Install and activate W3 Total Cache by searching for it in the Plugins section. After activation, go to Performance, General Settings, and enable Database Cache, Object Cache, and Browser Cache. Test your site's performance using tools like Jeepmetrics or Google PageSpeed Insights to see the improvements. Minifying and combining CSS and JavaScript files reduces the number of HTTP requests and file sizes. Use a plugin like Autoptimize or Fast Velocity Minify for this purpose. Install and activate Autoptimize. Go to Settings, Autoptimize, and enable options to optimize HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Click Save Changes. Test your site again with performance tools to ensure the changes positively impact your site speed. Regularly cleaning your database improves site speed. Use plugins like WP Optimize or WP Sweep to remove unnecessary data. Install and activate WP Optimize. Go to the WP Optimize section in your dashboard and run a database cleanup by clicking Run All Selected Optimizations. Having too many plugins can slow down your site. Deactivate and delete any plugins you're not using. Go to Plugins, Installed Plugins, and manage your plugins efficiently. Similarly, disable any unnecessary widgets. Go to Appearance, Widgets, and remove any that aren't essential to your site. Optimize your Astra theme settings by going to Appearance, Customize. Disable any features you don't need, such as animations and additional scripts. For Elementor, go to Elementor, Settings, Performance, and enable the Optimized Image Loading option. This ensures that only the optimized images are loaded. And there you have it. By following these tips, you can significantly improve the speed and performance of your Astra and Elementor WordPress site. You can also use these tips on any WordPress site. Remember, a faster site means happier visitors and better SEO rankings. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Share this video as well. If you have any questions or would like to see more videos like this, leave a response in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.